Okay, to add the VMware add-ons to Haiku OS, click your feather icon, scroll down to Applications, then click Haiku Depot. Search for VMware in the search terms box, then click VMware Addons, and this will allow us to do clipboard and mouse sharing, so click Install. Then click Open VMware Tray to add it to the desk bar. Then you can close out of this window, and I can now move my cursor outside of the virtual machine without having to click Control-Alt. Click on the icon in the desk bar and it'll give you access to some options. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.